The Nothing Phone 3 Pro is set to be the most advanced mid-range offering from the company, bringing significant upgrades in performance and camera technology. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, the device represents a shift away from MediaTek processors used in its predecessors. A recent Geekbench test confirmed its single-core score of 1,181 and a multi-core score of 3,302. The Phone 3 Pro is expected to feature 12 GB of RAM, with the possibility of additional configurations upon launch. The latest leak from Android Headlines has revealed the full design details of the Nothing Phone 3A and Phone 3 Pro. Both devices feature a 6.77-inch display, though the Pro is slightly thicker at 8.39mm compared to the standard model's 8.35mm. Additionally, the Pro weighs 10 grams more than the 201-gram Phone 3A. The leak also confirms the presence of an extra button on the Pro, which is likely a camera shortcut. Both models ship with Android 15 out of the box and promise a 50% charge in 19 minutes. Display protection is handled by Panda Glass. In terms of color options, the Phone 3A will be available in black and white, while the Pro will come in black and gray. One of the most notable features of the Nothing Phone 3 Pro is its camera system. For the first time, Nothing has integrated a periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The primary sensor is a 50-megapixel, shake-free OIS main camera that is said to capture 64% more light at the pixel level compared to the Nothing Phone 2A, along with a 300% increase in full well capacity. The device also includes an 88-megapixel ultra-wide lens manufactured by Sony and a high-resolution 50-megapixel front-facing camera. The periscope lens supports 3 times optical zoom, 6 times in-sensor zoom, and an impressive 60 times ultra zoom with a focal length of 70mm. Furthermore, Nothing's True Lens Engine 3.0 enhances the camera system with AI tone mapping and scene detection. Nothing has been teasing the Phone 3A series extensively on social media, with cryptic hints about the camera design. A recent post suggested that the camera layout for both models might differ, with one device featuring a horizontal setup and the other adopting an L-shaped pattern. Beyond its camera advancements, the Nothing Phone 3 Pro boasts a 6.72-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The device is rated IP64 for dust and splash resistance. It is backed by a robust 5,000 mAh battery. The standard Nothing Phone 3A will also bring notable improvements, but with slight downgrades compared to the Pro model. While it still retains a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, its telephoto lens is limited to 2x zoom, rather than the Pro's 3x periscope telephoto. Reports suggest that the Pro version will use Sony's Lytia sensor for the periscope lens. According to D-Labs, the Nothing Phone 3A series will launch on March 4th, with sales starting on March 11th for the standard model and March 25th for the Pro variant. The Phone 3A will be available in 2 configurations: 8GB plus 128GB for around $380 and 12GB plus 256GB for approximately $430. The Phone 3A Pro, offered in a single 12GB plus 256GB variant, is expected to cost $520.